replacing my wheel bearing. We got our wheel bearings and hubs, or wheel hubs. So here they are. eBay, as always. I got some from my Eclipse that I had a few years back. Alright, so I got the car all jacked up on stands, and now we're gonna start unbolting everything. I'm about to take the 2 bolts out for the whole brake assembly. I watched a video on YouTube. They said that this would be more efficient and easier to just take these out and just pull everything all at once. Alright guys, so I got those out off of the main bracket. So we're gonna attempt to try to get that out. There's 1 bolt right there, another one there, right there, and 2 more right there, and then 1 right behind the sensor. First bolt. I've got this one out already. This one. Goes right in there. It was this one. The new wheel bearing is on. Basically just do everything in reverse. So we put this plate back the way it went. We mock this up the correct way because it goes a certain way. So we did that, and we just bolted that back, put the bolts out first, and then slowly threaded them in 1 by 1, and then hand tight, and then we just tightened it as if it was a lug nut. So we just went back back and forth. Now I'm just gonna put the wheels back on and head home.